Liquor was the only love I'd known. But you rescued me from reaching for the bottom and brought me back. Yeah, too far gone. Oh, that's smooth. It's Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy.
Thank you, guys.
Are you double surprised now?
I'm quite literally speechless.
Didn't see that.
I've looked for love in all the same old places.
The bands.
Found the bottom of the bottles always.
Yeah! Look at that thing.
You can see that through the V10.
But when you poured out your heart,
Congratulations. Proud for y'all. So excited.
'cause there's nothing like your love. It's Tennessee whiskey.